select your desired VM. Now click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings option, go to the hard disk section and click the Expand button. A prompt will appear called Expand Disk Capacity. Now type the new total capacity of the VM hard drive. Now press the Expand button. Just wait a bit, it will automatically increase your virtual disk. Now your virtual disk space is increased. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.